Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So if you can't tell by the title or the thumbnail already, Leeloo Trading is offering a free educational seminar on June 15th called Demo Day, also known as Traders Day. So for Demo Day, there's going to be different events scheduled at different times, hosted by different people, but essentially it's going to cover everything from trading psychology, experience, strategies, journey, and just everything trading related. Now for this Demo Day, to give you a little bit more context, we're going to have super experienced professional traders in the industry that you may know of that's going to be speaking, business related strategies and concepts, and even real life traders like you and I are going to be hosting it. And on top of that, again, it's all free. So those are a few reasons why you should participate. Some more reasons why I believe you should join is that it's open for any experience level, whether you're a beginner in the trader, intermediate, advanced, super experienced. Anyone and everyone can join. Doesn't matter what kind of trading background you have or even what instrument you trade. I believe you can learn maybe a thing or two from this demo day. On top of that, it is hosted on their YouTube channel for free, so you are able to ask real questions real time and get your answers to any questions you have, concerns, or thoughts. And the best part about it is you are able to gain further insight on Leeloo trading. You may have seen on my YouTube channel, maybe other traders have promoted Leeloo, or maybe this is your first time hearing about Leeloo trading, but I truly stand behind the mission statement and the value that Leeloo trading brings to the traders of its community. This is one of the reasons why I stand by their value. They are able to provide a free educational seminar to be able to explain everything and anything about trading, to really help you explore your different opportunities to grow as a better and stronger trader. On top of that, aside from the previous videos I've made of Leeloo and the future ones I'm going to make, there's so many other reasons, but one I want to point out particularly that might stick a little bit better than the rest is that the CEO, Chris, is also promoting that you don't need to buy practice accounts to trade. You can just stick with the demo account, save your money, work on your budget, work on yourself, and when you feel like you're ready, then consider, spending some money. But he doesn't care about taking our profits, from buying accounts or resets. He cares more about seeing us level up and just be the best trader possible. And so that in itself is a really strong image of Leeloo, just showing that they really care about us. And again, that's a CEO posting it for the entire world to see. So if that's not another reason or act of encouragement to get you guys to join Demo Day, I don't know what will, but I do hope that I see you guys there. I'll go ahead and include the little flyer right now. And also they have a really awesome sale for their foundation accounts, which I'll also include after the Demo Day flyer. But if you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. Send me an email, send me a DM. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And as always, I wish you nothing but the best and most success in your trading journey. And I will see you all at Demo Day.